Hey out there, YouTube, MySpace. I'm making a video right now. I've been evacuated from my school, not my school, my house, and the fire is like very visible from my house, and right now it's covered in ashes, and it's hard for me to breathe out there. Like, I'm several miles away, and it's still very hard for me to breathe. That's how big these fires are. I have asthma, so it's been killing me all day. So this is like they started evacuating people yesterday, but our neighborhood wasn't like really forced to leave until this morning, and I don't know, it's just scary. Like, before they had the wildfires out in Santa Clarita, and that didn't seem like such a big deal until recently, when the fire started yesterday, and we went to bed last night thinking that it was contained, but this morning we woke up to sound of sirens and the announcement to evacuate. So I'm at my sister's house, and thank God she has Wi-Fi, so I've been able to send this message to YouTube and MySpace. It'll be on both websites, because I'm sure people are equally worried on both websites and are well aware of the situation, hopefully, and I want to keep them informed. As of now, I'm not really sure what's going on. We're watching the news, and we could smell it, and right now it's me and my nephew, and we're just sitting by, because our parents went to go get the rest of our cars and my dogs, because we couldn't fit them in the van. So they're making a second trip and leaving us here to worry. You know, that's a good idea. Let a 16-year-old girl worry. I mean, 17. I can't get used to being old. Seriously. But anyways, sorry, I'm trying to add a little comic relief for my own sake, not for y'all's. But I'll talk to you later, YouTube. I'm really worried, so I'm gonna go keep posted. Peace.